Shalom, my name is Michael Decker and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Cohen Decker Pex and Brosh. Today I wanted to discuss about a matter that relates to adoption and Aliyah to Israel. And basically we will be uploading 3 videos in a series of articles regarding and videos regarding adoption and Aliyah. Today I wanted to focus on a phenomenon which rises not frequently but is relevant, and it's regarding a de facto adoption. And what is a de facto adoption? Here we're dealing basically with a scenario of Jewish parents or one Jewish parent outside of Israel that basically de facto and not formally adopts a non-Jewish child and treats this child as their child, either son or daughter. Sometimes this can be even from a very young age, even let's say from the age 1, 2, or 3. And that there is a lot of evidence that can even exist confirming the parent-child relationship. For example, documentation from preschool, from kindergarten, confirming that there is a parent-child relationship, documentation from hospitals, from extracurricular activities, and so on and so forth. And basically a long trail of evidence confirming this parent-child relationship. Sometimes you can even find the names of these parents appearing in various birth type certificates in different countries. The only problem is that there was never an official adoption procedure that took place. As most countries do have official adoption procedures. A case like this actually occurred and became relevant in Israel in 2013 in a Supreme Court decision that was rendered, which the number is 5020/08. The name of the decision is called Edward Polotorsky against the State of Israel. And in this decision, it was actually ruled that because Mr. Edward Polotorsky was not able to produce an actual adoption certificate, that his petition was denied. However, there was a minority opinion of Justice Daphna Erez Barak, and she actually determined that because of all the evidence that exists confirming a parent-child relationship, even though there was no formal adoption, de facto there was an adoption. Because on the other hand, you could have a formal adoption that means nothing. Let's say someone adopted a child at age 17 right before they wanted to make Aliyah, and this 17-year-old child bribed the person to officially adopt him just so he can make Aliyah. So why would this person that has an official adoption certificate be able to make Aliyah, but someone else that really is de facto for all intents and purposes the child of these adopting parents, why is he not able to make Aliyah? Only because he doesn't have an official adoption certificate. So with this minority opinion of Justice Daphna Erez Barak, we actually do have a ray of hope for situations like this, where a child is a de facto adopted child of de facto adopting parents. And if you know anyone like this, in a situation like this, then our office will be happy to help, and you can feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you very much for your time.